For the past 40 years, my family and I have been manufacturing shoes for the most important luxury brands in the world. Now the time has come to make our very own dream shoe. Meet Corsini, timeless premium shoes that look and feel amazing, handcrafted in the heart of Tuscany. That's not all, they come with a twist. Thanks to their innovative foldable structure, Corsini shoes are extremely lightweight and packable, which is incredibly convenient if you want to have a spare pair of shoes with you at all times, or you need to squeeze that extra pair into your carry-on while still traveling light. There's more. A revolutionary and completely natural antibacterial treatment will keep your feet feeling refreshed and odor-free all day long. All day long. Corsini shoes are 100% made in Italy, with premium suede leather from Tuscany. Every component is meticulously selected and every single detail is taken care of by the best Italian shoemakers with decades of experience. Now, here comes the best part. We are able to offer Corsini at an incredible price because we cut out the middleman and we go straight to you with the product directly from the factory. This allows us to slash the price to less than a half. You can pick one of our 6 color combinations or decide to completely personalize your own pair of shoes from the sole to the stitching, so you can get your custom Italian premium shoes at a fraction of the market price. We spent over a year designing and perfecting our first 2 models. You can dress them up or dress them down. Corsini shoes will make you look impeccable from desk to dusk. Only by backing this project, you will make all of this possible. Click on the big green button that says Back this project and take advantage of this limited time offer. Thank you.